Questions. 1. Where does the energy in a food chain or food web come from? Answer. Energy in a food come from the sun. Questions. 2. How do producers use this energy? Answer. They use it to make food. Questions. 3. How is the energy in a producer transferred to a consumer? Answer. Energy is transferred from the producer when a consumer eats the producer. Questions. 4. How does a consumer, such as a hawk, depend on producers? Answer. A consumer, such as a hawk, does not depend directly on producers to get its energy, because it does not eat plants. A hawk eats animals that get their energy from eating plants, and in this way depends on energy stored in the producers. Questions. 5. What happens to the amount of energy as it is transferred through a food chain? B. Say why this happens. Answer. The amount of energy gets less and less as it is transferred through a food chain. B. This is because not all of the energy in a food a consumer eats is passed on to the next link in the chain. Some of the energy is used up by the consumer and as heat. Thank you.